8.4 Day 1 Graphing in Standard Form Homework Level 1 Question number 3. So from here you're going to find out the vertex. So vertex is a point where the parabola are going to start. So the vertex is 2, -1. Axis of symmetry is the line that divides the parabola into two halves and goes through the center of the vertex. So axis of symmetry is this line. This is x equals 2 line. So x equals 2, which is the x coordinate of the vertex. And the last one is the y-intercept. So y-intercept is always the point where it cuts the y-axis. So y-intercept is going to be 0, 1. For number 3, the vertex is -3, 2. The y coordinate is 2 and the axis of symmetry is the x coordinate. So the x coordinate is -3. So x equals -3. It cuts at y line at -1. So the y-intercept is 0, -1. For the question number, so this is 2, let's say this is 3. The vertex is -2, -3. Axis of symmetry is the x coordinate, -2. It cuts here, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 5. Level 2, question number 6. To find the axis of symmetry, or the x equals -b/2a, you're going to put the b as -4 divided by 2 times 2. So that's going to be 4/4 and equals 1. So that's going to be your axis of symmetry. Now going to use this x and plug it into the given equation. So y equals 2 times 1 square minus 4 times 1. So that's going to be 2 minus 4 equals -2. X value is 1, y is -2. So the vertex is 1, -2. So axis of symmetry for the 7 is x equals -b/2a, where b is 12 and a is 3. So -12/2 times 3 is -12/6, that is -2. So axis of symmetry is x equals -2. Plug this x value in here to find the y value. So 3 times 4 is 12, minus 24 is -12. -2, -12 is your vertex. For number 8, a is -8, b is -16. Axis of symmetry is x equals -b/2a, and that is negative of -16/2 times -8. So 16/-16 is -1. Plug that in here. You got -8 times 1 plus 16 minus 1, and that's going to be 8 minus 1 and 7. So for number 12, you're going to describe an error in finding the axis of symmetry. So axis of symmetry is -b/2a, which means that it should be negative of -12 divided by this. So it's 12/6, and axis of symmetry should be +2.